welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make Wafu pasta. Wafu means Japanese style or Japanized, and pasta is pasta. I'm using spaghetti today. So what I'm going to cook today is spaghetti Japanese. Let's get started. These are what you need for 4 servings. 400 grams spaghetti. If you're a big eater, you can use more. 2 cans of tuna. And Japanese canned tuna is very small like this. And if your can is much bigger, you can just use 1. 1 onion, some shimeji mushroom, 4 tablespoons soy sauce, 2 tablespoons mirin, 2 teaspoons instant Japanese soup stock, some minced garlic, it's about 1 tablespoon, 1 tablespoon butter, and some green onion to garnish. I have plenty of boiling water already to cook spaghetti. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of salt in here. Let's start cooking spaghetti. This spaghetti needs to be cooked for 8 minutes, but you just follow the instruction on the package of your spaghetti. While you're cooking the noodle, let's prepare the sauce. Onion, cut the bottom and top off. Cut it in half, peel it, and slice thinly. Just like this, and shimeji mushroom. You need to cut the bottom off. And just break it into little pieces using your hand. Let's move to the stove to cook the sauce. Add some vegetable oil into the skillet, minced garlic. When you start to smell nice flavor of the garlic, add all the vegetables and saute them until they are wilted. When it's half wilted, add tuna. Vegetables are almost cooked, so let's add 4 tablespoons soy sauce, 2 tablespoons mirin, 2 teaspoons Japanese instant soup stock. You also need 100 milliliters of this water that you're cooking spaghetti. Goes in, and just keep cooking until spaghetti is ready over medium-low heat. Now spaghetti is ready, so I'm going to drain it. Let's add spaghetti into this wok. Mix it well. Turn the heat off and add 1 tablespoon of butter. Mix until the butter melts. Take some spaghetti, serve it on the plate. Let's put some vegetable on top and sprinkle some green onion. And spaghetti Japanese is good to go. Enjoy! That's all for today. Today it was tuna, onion, and some shimeji mushroom, but you can use whatever vegetable or whatever protein that you already have in your pantry. Just be creative and create your own pasta Japanese. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!